I've been using Cantu for Kids Styling Custard, and hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're more than welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you for always watching my videos. I do appreciate you all. Now in this video, I am going to be talking about the Cantu for Kids Styling Custard, which I've been using on my toddler's hair. Now let's get into the video. All right, so first things first, I want to show you guys the product that we will be talking about. So this is the product Cantu for Kids Styling Custard. Okay, so I use the product as a curl refresher for my daughter's hair. I also use it to add moisture into her hair. It is a water-based product, so the large quantity ingredient used in making the product is water, which is something I do appreciate. And also I use it to activate her curls as well. It's a styling custard, so it does work in that manner as well. Now in terms of the product itself, it does have a nice smell, which is something I do appreciate about the product. And also the product feels light, and it's also light when you apply it to the hair. Some products are quite heavy. When you apply it to the hair, it kind of pulls the hair down, but it doesn't do so, which I love. And it's a toddler's hair, so I don't want her feeling like her hair it feels icky or if it's uncomfortable for her. So it's a lightweight product, which is great. In terms of residue, it doesn't leave residue once the product has been dried out in the hair, or once the product has been evenly blended into the hair. Some styling custards do leave some residues on the hair, depending on the quantity as well that you apply on the hair too. But in this case, my experience so far is that it does not leave that residue in the hair, that white residue, and it's lightweight. And I have purchased the product multiple times, so I've used it for some time now, so it's always been the same in terms of what I've experienced. So I love the consistency with the product so far. So Cantu for Kids, yeah, you guys did a great job on this product here anyways. Now some of you might be wondering, what's the composition of my daughter's hair type? Now my daughter, she has quite a variety of hair types working. Well, I wouldn't say quite. It's not a lot. Her hair is composed of 4B and 4C with a sprinkle of 4A, but majorly it's more 4B and 4C. So the product works well as per my experience with those hair types. Now, even if you have looser coils on your daughter's hair or on your child's hair in general, it will work well with that hair type as well. So I do recommend the product. So I will be putting a link in the description box below, so do check it out. And it is quite affordable, and this is the size that I've been purchasing, the 227 gram. So this is the size of the product. It's a fairly good quantity. It would last, well in my case I do use it quite almost every day, so but it does last quite a bit for me before I purchase the next. I didn't really track how long it would last, this particular size would last for me. I wasn't keeping track of it, but I think it lasts for quite a good amount of time. And I alternate with I use it with, like, sometimes I skip using it some days, and other days I use it quite frequently. I will be putting a short clip of our hair routine, our daily hair routine, towards the end of the video, so please stick around to watch that. But yeah, so far so good. My experience with the Cantu for Kids Styling Custard has been great. I recommend that product. If you've not tried it, do try it. You can add it as well. For me right now, we are in the period of just 2 puffs. So I put my daughter's hair in 2 puffs at this moment. So it works for ponytails, if that's what you're going for, if the style you're going for. And also if you are also maybe doing some kind of twist, single braids or single twists on your child's hair, it would work for that purpose as well. So it's been a great experience so far. So if you've not tried the product out, I recommend you try it out. Give it a try and see if that works with your child's hair. Not everybody's experience is going to be the same, but so far my experience has been great with the product, so I highly recommend it. Alright guys, so if you found this video informative, if you found the video helpful, please like, share the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will continue to bring to you guys reviews of products, beauty products, hair products to you that I have used and tested, and I will give you guys my honest thoughts on those products. So please stick around my channel, please subscribe, please share, and please like the video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.